That's the record?
Yep, that's the same town.
Alright. Let's get us a drink. Yeah, got the initial chill. Okay. Heading to the pool bar. But I gotta go under that thing to get my drink. Oh, there's a little tiny space right there. Dang it. I gotta get really wet to get in there. Huh? I want my drink pretty bad. Guess we're getting wet. Alright. There it goes. There's a step. Ooh.
You really want to drink.
What you drinking?
Cardi and Diet Pepsi.
You think? This is like the saddest pool bar I've ever seen. For being viewing a mug. You're the only ones here. Only ones here. So weird. So weird that we're the only ones here. What's your thoughts on the pool bar here at Occidental?
Slow. Very slow.
I kind of thought that the waterfall feature on the pool bar was going to be cool, but it really isn't. Kind of gets your drinks wet. Very loud when you're loud when you're trying to sit in there and talk. So I don't know. Not really a very good pool bar vibe here, but it does seem to be pretty amazing for kids. Like the kids all seem to really be enjoying themselves. Not sure it's really the pool bar scene you're looking for.